Weather coverage you can count on with Alabama's weather anchor of the year, WAAY 31's chief meteorologist, Kate McKenna.
Well, it is certainly some good weather for the splash pad on a day like today. The heat, the humidity back in full effect. Even the wasps, it looks like, are back around our camera here at Guntersville. Looking over the lake, I want you to notice the smoke that's along the horizon. Now, of course, a little more moisture in there. That adds to the haze, but also the smoke from the wildfires out west, kind of compounding that, making for a fuzzy tree line there off in the distance. This is the view, of course, on the WAAY 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam Network. Good day to be at the lake. Find a place to cool off. 82 degrees right now in Guntersville and in Fort Payne, 87 in Huntsville, 89 in Muscle Shoals, 85 in Athens. The WAAY 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network showing us a quiet picture. Rain chances don't really creep up in our forecast, unfortunately, until we get to the weekend. That's when we have a better chance for seeing a few showers and storms. So heading out the door tomorrow morning, it will be a warm start to the day. Hard to call 68 degrees at 6 a.m. mild because we warm pretty quickly, 73 degrees by 9 o'clock. And your highs tomorrow almost as warm as today, but not quite. I'll show you that forecast in just a second, but let me go through tonight into tomorrow morning for you. This data source is still trying to key in on a couple of spotty showers right along the Alabama-Mississippi line. Aside from that, we are going to be staying dry. I really don't expect much out of that activity here because this is the same data source trying to indicate that stray shower for today. And again, we've stayed mainly dry through tomorrow, all the way through 3 o'clock. Look at all the sunshine. That's a mostly clear image there. A few passing clouds overnight heading into Friday morning. And as we get into Friday, the first part of the day is going to be dry, and really for most locations, it's going to be dry. Northeast Alabama stands that chance at seeing a stray shower, so we'll pick back up on that part of the forecast in just a second. But for tomorrow, mostly sunny, 87. Our wind out of the east, 5 to 10 miles per hour. So that's going to help push in some slightly drier air, lower the humidity temporarily. It's going to feel a little bit nicer, and yes, the temperatures will be a degree or two lower than today. Hard to call 87 degrees cool, right? Something that I want to mention here with the pollen forecast. Tree pollen still expected to be low. Most of our trees have leafed out by this point. Grass pollen will continue to be an issue for us until we get further into the summer. We dry out and these grasses go a little more on the dormant side. So we're going to have to deal with that grass pollen for a little bit. And it's something that I wanted to mention to you if you're kind of in the throes of the allergy suffering right now and it's solely because of grass. We're still kind of in the thick of it. So let's talk about kind of picking back up Friday at 7 o'clock in the morning. Starting quiet. Watch Northeast Alabama here. There's this cutoff low that is off the East Coast right now, and it's trying to edge its way inland, and that's what we're experiencing the effects of on Friday. By Saturday, clusters of showers and storms kind of moving through the area. There's 1 o'clock, and as we go through 6:30, it's more of the same. So slightly more widespread rain chances Saturday than what we are expecting on Sunday. Sunday morning, 7 a.m., waking up to a fairly quiet picture there. And as we get into the afternoon, it's only isolated showers and storms in our forecast. Not a ton of rain for the next 7 days. Higher rainfall totals farther to the west, but on a widespread scale, most locations still experiencing about 1/4 of an inch of rain or less for the next week. Your 7-day forecast shows that 30% chance for showers and storms on Saturday. Isolated chances Sunday and Monday. And although the temperatures dip temporarily, we're right back up to 89 degrees next Wednesday.